what time you should be there. Hopefully you have a cell phone with you that's fully charged. If you do become stranded, stay with your vehicle. Don't try to venture out in these blinding conditions. You could quickly become disoriented, and it could have some tragic health consequences. Of course, the best advice would be to stay home. Not an option for some folks, unfortunately. And get traffic and weather together on the 8s every 10 minutes on News Radio 780 WBBM.
And the blizzard warning continues until 3 p.m. tomorrow. Blizzard conditions, strong winds, heavy snow, and lots of blowing and drifting of snow and wind gusts in excess of 55 miles an hour. Visibility is near zero frequently. Then tomorrow afternoon, windy and cold with flurries. Accumulations 12 to 24 inches, but the drifts are going to be well beyond that in the 3, 4, 5-foot range, maybe more. Highs of 23 tomorrow. We have 20 now at O'Hare. Winds out of the northeast at 32, gusting to 43. The wind chill is 1. WBBM News Time 11:11.
The perfect Valentine's gift. The Jewelry Exchange has 2-carat amethyst and diamond.